R stands for Ross and Robert, named after its creators Rossi Haka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand, in the early 1990s. It's a programming language and software environment primarily used for statistical computing and data analysis. R is widely used in academia, research, and industries that rely on data science. One of R's key strengths is its ability to handle and analyze large datasets efficiently, making it a preferred choice for statisticians, data analysts, and data scientists. The language comes with a vast collection of packages and libraries, such as ggplot2 for data visualization, dplyr for data manipulation, and caret for machine learning. These tools allow users to perform complex data operations with minimal coding. Additionally, R has built-in functions for statistical modeling, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis, making it a powerful tool for quantitative research. Another advantage of R is its strong visualization capabilities. With packages like ggplot2 and Shiny, users can create high-quality graphs, dashboards, and interactive web applications. This makes R particularly valuable for communicating insights from data in an intuitive way. While R is not as general purpose as Python, it excels in tasks related to data analysis, statistical modeling, and visualization. It is widely used in industries such as finance, healthcare, and academia. For an aspiring Azure data engineer, learning R may be useful if dealing with statistical data analysis, though Python and SQL would be more relevant for cloud-based data engineering tasks.